Hi guys, Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I have something a little different from the reviews that I normally do. So this is a tip basically. I'm going to show you a website where you can mine cryptocurrency every 4 hours. There is an increase in your cryptocurrency that you can mine with this particular website. So I'll jump over to the website so that we can take a look at what it is and how it works. So here is the website, and the website is called StormGain.com, and basically it is a crypto app that you can have on your mobile phone, and you can also have it on your laptop or PC. It's an all-in-one crypto app with 0% commissions. So it's like a crypto wallet and exchange. And basically there is also a way that you can mine Bitcoin through this application. So if we just go over now to products, you can see here that there is mining, get free Bitcoin daily, no battery or CPU drainage, and no mining equipment required. So this website is then saying that you can get this free Bitcoin daily. There's lots of other guides, the bonuses. There's actually a way, there's a loyalty program, there's refer a friend, and there is actually an affiliate sign up, but you need to make sure that you can register through the company before you can actually be affiliate for these people, for this company. But you can refer friends in, and any friend that gets referred in basically can then earn 3 USDT for registering, and you get a 15% of funds that withdraw from the crypto miner from your referrals. So you get an increase in the Bitcoin that you earn. So basically it's really easy. You register for a personal referral link, you share the link and start earning as soon as your friends register and begin trading, and you can track your results inside of your account. And basically I found out about this yesterday, so I decided that I should really take a look at it and find out more about it and what it's all about. So I have an account which I can just go over to. And this is my account that I started yesterday, and as you can see, this is in a cycle now of mining the cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, BTC. So far it's mined 4429 in here, which computes to 2.11 USDT, and that is the currency that has been mined so far, less than 24 hours. So every cycle of this green here is 4 hours, which then adds more to the total of the Bitcoin mined. And there's also obviously wallets in this StormGain. You can trade, you can exchange, and they have reports. Not sure what's in. Oh yes, that's it. The refer a friend, the affiliate program I talked about, and the loyalty program. And you can actually use this to purchase or exchange to a cryptocurrency using your fiat currency, which is obviously dollars or euros or whatever currency that you actually want to buy into the cryptocurrency. And so that is the website, which is StormGain, which you just need to sign up to and then start registering as a miner, and then register and gain up to, I think it's $3 per day have mined cryptocurrency. And then increase, obviously, for every referral that you do by an extra 15%. So that is the StormGain app, which is obviously available via the Play Store for Android and Mac. You can also the App Store, Google Play, App Gallery and Android. So it's available in all of those channels for your mobile phone. So that's all I have to say. And now I will leave a link to StormGain in the description below this video. So if you're interested in checking out StormGain and actually starting into a free way of mining cryptocurrency with BTC, then use my link and earn 3 USDT when you register. So that's all I have, guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on digital products, training, how to earn money online, digital currencies and even NFTs. So bye for now.